Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Mocker face mask reviews. Guys, in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started, guys. So guys, this is the homepage of the site, and it is an online shopping store which is based in United States that deals with customized face mask including masker, male and female, American bulldog mask, lager mask, and they look so real, guys. And you can take a look at the prices of these offerings which are affordable. Now talking about the payment information, so guys, they have not provided the exact payment information section, but yes, at the bottom of the web page you can see various modes of online payment are available including Amex, Apple Pay, GPay, JCB, Mastercard, Visa, etc. Now coming to the shipping policy of the site, let's check out the FAQ section because they have not provided the exact shipping duration section, guys. So let's check out the shipping duration. So they have mentioned that your order will ship in approximately 3 weeks. So this is the shipping duration of the site, guys. Now coming to the other information, let's talk about the company's information. But before going further, I request you all to hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. Guys, this site is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration, which is a good sign. It makes the website secure to access. And guys, talking about the domain information of the site, the domain name was created on 12th of July 2020. Guys, the site is an old website, which makes it quite legitimate. So guys, let's take a look at the About Us page of this website. So this is the About Us section. They have provided limited information, but they have provided the business owner information, which is a good sign. Guys, apart from that, they have not provided the exact information related to business establishment here, business owner, business brand connection, info, etc. So this is a negative sign. However, they have provided business owner information, which is a positive sign that define its legitimacy. Now coming to the contact details of the site, let's check out the contact us page. So guys, they have provided the email address, which is contact@shopmocker.com, and they have not provided the official address and contact number, which is a negative sign, but this email is a legit email and matches with the domain name, which is a good sign. Now coming to the social media presence, so you can see the site has social media presence on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. And guys, we have found various comments on Instagram post. They have huge followers on Instagram, which is a good sign, and the social media existence of the site makes the site quite legit, guys. Now coming to the return policy, let's check out the return or refund policy. So this is the section where you can find return or refund policy. So guys, you can see they have mentioned that due to the personalized nature of this product, we can't accept returns or issue refunds. So this is the condition that they can't accept the return policy due to the personalized nature of this product. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding return or refund if you have, because it will give benefit to other customers. And apart from that, talking about Mocker face mask reviews, guys, we have found positive reviews on the official website, and you can see, you can take a look here. One of the customers said, "Love our new mask, thank you." Another customer said, "I get a lot of compliments on this mask and also double takes." Another customer said, "So worth it, the people staring is hilarious." So they have mentioned various positive reviews, which makes the site quite legit. Apart from that, guys, we have found engagement on social media platforms, which is one of the biggest pros of this website, which define its legitimacy. However, we are not able to find more customer reviews on other platforms, which is a negative sign. So guys, there are so many factors that define its legitimacy. However, there are some loopholes as well, which makes a confusion. But yes, in the final conclusion, this website appears to be a legit website. You can give it a try by exploring the entire information before making any online purchase. We highly recommend you to check out the site carefully before you decide to place any order. However, this is a legit platform, guys. Guys, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thanks for giving your precious time, guys. Have a good day.